Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail art tutorial. If you've ever owned a tortoiseshell coloured cat like myself, you may be able to appreciate this tortoiseshell design as much as I do. I'm loving this at the moment, so here's how I go about it. I'm starting by laying out the colours I'll be using. I'm using gel polish today. I'm taking a yellow, and you want a jelly colour. So this one wasn't completely opaque to begin with, but I wanted to make it clearer, so I've added a couple of drops of top coat. I'm taking a drop of black, a drop of chocolate brown, and a lighter caramel. I'm also going to cut a small piece of yellow gold foil. Onto a prepped and base coated nail, step 1 is to apply a thin coat of the yellow, and while it is still wet, I'm painting splotches of the black into the wet colour coat, blending the edges outwards and curing. Out of the lamp, I'm going to apply a minimal amount of yellow foil in random spaces. We'll be doing this again at another stage, so don't worry about filling the space too much. I'm then coming in with another coat of the yellow on top of this, and again, while this is still wet, I'm applying patches of the chocolate over the black, but to the side of the existing patches to add some dimension. I'm then coming in with the caramel and layering this in much the same way over some of the chocolate areas and some of the empty space, and then popping that into cure. Out of the lamp, I'm adding some further foil and encapsulating this in a thin layer of top coat and curing. And following this cure, I'm applying a second layer of top coat to complete the nail. I'm a huge fan of this look. I hope you enjoy it too, and I'll talk to you next video.